With just a few days to go before the opening of the Chengdu Yuniversiade, Ugandan young athletes have been doubling their workouts and training to gear up for the upcoming sporting event in China. Uganda plans to send a team of 40 university students to compete in different disciplines at the 31st FISU World University Games, which is to be held in Chengdu, southwest China's Sichuan province.
I've been trying to work on my stamina, endurance, and as well maximize on my skills, especially my technique, my hand technique skills with the racket, to try to compete. Because at higher stages of badminton, the level of quality of your shot matters. We can't play loose shots.
When you look at their sports industry, it is actually very high level. They have different programs that allow their athletes to actually achieve those targets that they set. I believe we are going to learn a lot as a team, as a coach, and as a country, and I believe we shall come back better.
Hi, this is the badminton team from Uganda. We are excited to be traveling to Chengdu, China. Chengdu makes dreams come true.
Well, now I'm focusing on breaking my times. I'm making personal best times, and also hopefully if I can break my records that I set, that will be a very big achievement for me. With my training and my coach who is available, so I have the best team with me around and the best training environment. So I'm expecting to bring in what I can bring in, which is the best that I can offer. So I am very excited at the same time. Yes.
The Chengdu Yuniversiade will be held from July the 28th through August the 8th, showcasing a total of 18 sports. Multiple academic activities and cultural exchange activities will be staged during the Games to further promote the communication between athletes from different countries and regions.